I'm at a golf course, no AC, infinity system. We'll see what's going on when we get inside. No air conditioning at a golf course. We'll see what's going on. Is here? Oh, you're a maintenance guy? Okay.
Yeah, our maintenance guy does it. We have the filters and that's loaded. Here.
Okay. But where's the
inside?
I'm looking for the inside unit.
The inside unit. Right. This one is the one that does the...
Yeah, this is the one we're looking for.
That's the one you're looking for.
Please.
Right. So that should be...
So we're gonna grab tools, right?
Oh yeah.
Just grab my bag, I guess.
Turn only.
And you're one way right here?
Exactly. You fuck the one way.
Excuse your, pardon my French, but let me speak Italian. Okay, right here.
You're good.
So we want to be on 8. Yeah, move the lesson. Can we go on there?
Yeah, something gotta go to 5. Maybe that was 5.
All right, so it's not frozen. It probably defrosted itself. Starting it back up. Let's see what this filter looks like. Crusty dusty. So grab my light right here and put it behind it. You can see through it, but not very well.
Barely.
Okay, we're gonna go to a supply house. Oh, they should have filters. If not, we'll go grab them. And then we'll run it and check temperature, airflow, pressures, temps, all that stuff. And let's clean this drain too while we're here. This coil underside is so plugged.
Yeah.
And we're not going to be able to remove this because of all your TXV stuff.
Well, I have a plan.
We're going to have to cut into here.
Yeah.
And then clean.
Yeah. Okay.
Do we have? Guys, we're going to cut into this return because the underside of the A coil is completely soiled with almost like paper mache. It looks like.
It'll just make my life easier. Greens, you know. So I can just finish there and there, and just fold that down.
So this is what's inside the return, and let's look at the filter, or let's look at the coil together. Okay, that'll freeze a coil all day. I mean, that'll freeze it all day. Wow. And then this filter on top of that caused the frozen coil. I mean, this is disgusting.
Yeah, get that properly set up. Oh my god.
So what we got here, it said no AC, and then we saw the Carrier Infinity thermostat said possible frozen coil. So naturally, you come, you check your airflow, you check your filter, and then you hopefully check underneath your coil. That's a little better, and then this is what we haven't touched yet. Unbelievable.
Right?
Unbelievable.
It's like night and day.
It looks like they did construction here.
Oh yeah, and rain.
Never had a filter. And it just took in mad mud.
We clean. Now that I do that left side.
Yeah, now you gotta do the left side. And then we're gonna coil clean it. We're gonna use coil cleaner.
Gotcha, okay.
Then we're gonna let it dry and drain. We're gonna flush this drain so it doesn't clog itself up. Because sometimes we'll clean it and then clog it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll just throw this in a brand new filter that we have there.
Makes sense, makes sense.
Right there. clogged drain. We're gonna cut right here, flush it both ways, and then throw in a union. Right here's my light. Thank you. You like apples? Look at that. I mean, that's disgustingly plugged. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna flush it both ways. There's standing water in here. That's how much it's clogged up. So we're gonna take this outside. Flush it.
We're good. Here.
You found it?
Yeah.
2012. Disconnect on. Let's go check pressures and temps. Our new work truck.
Right? You imagine how long it takes to can you
This is crazy. It's definitely more convenient than having to walk this whole distance from the truck.
I know. Oh god. We had to
plug coil. So bad. It's clean now though. All this shit came out of it. We're a little low on subcoolant, a little low on R410. I'm gonna give it a couple ounces of refrigerant. Looking for a 10-degree subcooling at 2.2. It's been running about 40 minutes because I cleaned the coil, and I didn't want to, you know, check pressures and temperature over a wet coil. But this coil, as I said, was disgusting. I mean, basically the same as what the indoor coil looked like. Sometimes it's to be expected outside, but not what I was looking at today. Excuse me. But let me add a couple ounces, see what we got, and then I think this is gonna be good. We'll go do a temp split. Temperature drop inside, and then we'll see what it is. What it is. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Been 8 degrees of subcooling, and I'm just gonna go up to the lady and ask her what she wants the thermostat set to. And I have my Uber picking me up at the front door. Hello. Well, what do you normally keep the temperature set to on the thermostat? Okay, I'm gonna set it to 72, okay? Yep.
Yeah, let's do
72?
74.
74.
Yeah, and then we can always go from there.
And I'm gonna keep it on hold, okay?
Okay.
And then do you normally keep it on a schedule or no?
Sort of.
What is the schedule?
Like after.
Okay, so here. $72. It's at 80 when you're away.
Okay.
Sleep 80 all night. Wake up 73. Okay, so we're gonna put it to the 72. Home.
Put it, put 70.
74. So it'll override for now.
Exactly.
Okay, it'll revert to the schedule when it's. Okay.
Once it's a little wet, a little bit.
Wow, this is exactly what was in that coil.
Yeah.
So this gets
When all those years.
Well-
And even through the filter and all that.
Yeah, so what happens, and if it was ever missing a filter for any reason, but like you just said, sometimes it'll slip between the filter.
Yeah,
So this and water
is the
together,
powder. This is the powder, and this is what it gets like that.
this together with the water makes that cement. I was calling it cement all day, but it's like
It's
like a
thick,
plaster.
it's hard shoe. That's what it is.
Hard chew, you said?
Hard shoe.
I just spoke to the manager, and he explained to me exactly what gets sucked into the system from the tennis court. So basically, it's just the air which will plug the coil. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Hope all is well.